Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met yet, my name is Tiffany. I'm a realtor with a love for interior design. I'm a firm believer that interior design does not have to cost a lot. Today I'm going to take you on a little shopping trip with me to one of my favorite places to buy home decor. Some people find it a little gross. I love it. I think of it as kind of a treasure hunt. I'll show you what it's like. I'll show you what I find, and then in the end, I'll share with you how much I paid for it. Hope you guys enjoy. Welcome to the Goodwill Outlet. So here they bring out items in bins and you pay by the pound. The bins are categorized into housewares or electronics or shoes, or clothing, toys. My favorite is obviously the housewares. I frequently find large baskets like this. I have a lot, so I really don't need any more right now, so I decided to pass on that one. But I did opt to grab this smaller one here. And sometimes I find things kind of hidden away down at the bottom of the bins. So this piece here had a few little marks on it, but I figure I can clean it up with a stain pen or a Sharpie. And now I am not quite sure what this is. It looks like a cutting board to me, but it has this little hook at the top. So I'm not quite sure. If you guys know what the intended use for this is, please let me know. It was at this point that I realized I needed to upgrade my cart to a bin. It's rare that I can fit all of my finds into a standard cart. Okay, so you may be thinking, Tiffany, that's a toy, that is not decor, but stick with me and I'll share with you what I'm thinking. My first find was this rolling hamper that has these bags with handles. And one nice thing is if something weighs over 3 pounds, they will weigh it separately and they charge you a flat fee. This is obviously not a full roll of this wallpaper, but I really like it and I think it would be enough to do a small wall or line the back of a built-in. I did my best to find the actual retail value of these items. Now, some of them are out of season, some of them are no longer in stock. If I wasn't able to find an exact retail value, I did my best to estimate the cost. I love finding storage pieces like this. This is a really nice quality and I can tell it's going to last really well. It's challenging to put a value on vintage pieces, but this one I did find a very similar one on eBay. And I really like these wire organizers. They're great for cans. The larger ones would go the full length of a cupboard and the shorter ones would go about half. These faux tulips were so nice and realistic feeling. My daughter actually asked me if they were real. And I love this dough bowl. I'm considering removing the stain off of this and taking it down to bare wood. Let me know if you think I should do that or just leave it as is. Again, it's very hard to put value on these antique or vintage pieces. I don't know a whole lot about baskets, but I could tell that this was very well made. Now, let me explain my thoughts with this. So this piece right here is actually what interested me about this. So I made this for my son's room out of some old wood we had laying on the side of the house, and the bracket on it has bent from hanging on the hoop. So I am going to be removing that piece and replacing it. So there you have it, everything that I got this time at the Goodwill Outlet. And here is my total. Before tax, I paid $38.22, and after tax, it came to an even $42. If you found this interesting, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. That will let me know that you guys would like more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.